Hello, Namaste, how are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. It is said, sow a thought, sow a thought and reap an action. What you have to reap? An action. Sow an action and reap a character, and it will change your destiny. Oh, what is this, ma'am? You might be asking. It is very easy. If you sow a seed, what becomes? You get a plant, and later on you will get the flowers, fruits, and all. Here, what is asked to sow? Thought. Means thinking. So we have to concentrate on our thinking. Means think properly. Don't think in a wrong way. Think in such a way that it will not harm you. It will not harm others as well. Now to think properly, we should have a free, calm mind. Then all your unnecessary thoughts, if you are having, you have to empty it. And daily you should have the cleaning practice, cleaning of the mind. How you clean it? As I told you, meditation, being busy, means don't give place to unnecessary thoughts. Then which thought you should have? Good thought. Because if you saw a good thought, you will get a good reap. So, sow a thought and reap an action. Suppose if you thought that tomorrow onwards I am going to study well. And it is not only you are thinking, even action, you are reaping the action. Daily you will be studying according to that. So, your thinking of studying well will take the action that you will study well. And that action, what is that action? Action of studying. Sow an action and reap a character. And if you sow the action, what becomes? A character forms. You will be a studious student, you will be studying well, you will be getting good marks, you will be understanding well, and you will be able to get a good job, or you will be able to do a good business, startup, whatever it is. And when your character is formed, because the action has given action, when you saw an action, reap a character. So a good character is formed, and this good character will change your destiny. It will change your destiny, it will change your life. See, it is not at all difficult. So first what we should have? We should have proper thinking. So a thought in the sense you should have proper thinking. If you think properly, you will reap an action. Suppose a person is there who is used to drink. He will have an action, okay, tomorrow onwards I will not drink. So he stops because he has got that thought and he is going to follow according to the thought. So reap an action. What will be the action? That he will not be drinking. So an action, he has stopped drinking, so that the money remains, he himself is behaving well, and it gives to a character. and that character will change your destiny. I think it is clear to you. So what we have to do is we should have proper thinking. Our thinking should be proper, it should be good, it should be without any bad things. Now how you can have this? You can have the good habits. As you are writing your diary daily, decide tomorrow onwards I will get up early in the morning. After getting up, after your natural things and everything, your meditation and all, you will go for a walk or exercise, whatever it is. Then you will be doing whatever preparation of your work. If you are a student, you will be studying, whatever it is. Then you will go for the work, or if you are a student, you will go to the college, school, and also make a list, make a timetable. Why? Because if you make a timetable, you will work according to that and you will not waste your time. And if we waste our time, what happens? The result you are knowing. That is why a proper timetable is very, very important. And if you follow this timetable throughout the week, first prepare a timetable and write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, Monday you have followed it. Put a tick mark. Tuesday you have followed, tick mark. Wednesday you have followed, tick mark. Thursday, tick, because you have followed it 100%. If you have followed all the 6 days, then 7 days, Sunday, it is a gift to you. You can behave in any way you want. But mind you, you are used to behave well. You are used to follow the good things. Whether you will go for the bad thing then? No, never. But even then, if you want to watch a movie or whatever, okay, it is left to you, because Sunday is a gift to you, because all 6 days you have followed properly. Do the timetable in this way and keep on following. Many times what happens, we know that some things are bad, but even then we can't leave it. It happens. It can be drinking, it can be gambling, it can be whatever it is, or even telling lies. Some are having that habit. So if you want to end all those things, unwanted things, make a timetable like this. In that, right, I will not tell lies. If you have followed it, put a tick mark. If not, then put a wrong mark. So many people have improved by these methods. And why we should have our methods, I will tell you. Self, whatever, you can change only if you yourself feel that you want to change. Otherwise, whatever the others tell, let your parents, teachers, whatever, you will not change till you yourself decide to change. Because all of us are knowing all the things. For example, you are knowing smoking is injurious to health. All of us know. It is even written on the packet. Now tell me, those people who smoke, they don't know this. They can't read this. They are not knowing smoking is injurious to health. They are knowing everything. Even then, whether they execute that, no, they don't execute that. So execution is also very, very important. In the same way, drinking or whatever, wasting your time, whatever it is, people know it is not good. Even then, they follow it. So it is in your own hands to change your life, to change your destiny. Nobody else can do anything, I tell you. Though parents, teachers, elders tell you 100 times, when you will change? When you decide yourself. You should decide yourself, and whatever you want to change or do something, you should have fire inside you. Yes, I will do it. Let it be whatever difficulty, whatever problems, I am going to do this. So have that fire inside you. Then see, you will create your own destiny. Have a nice day.